Baia Lara Hotel Antalya, Turkey. Baia Lara is located in Lara, which is the most in-demand tourism district of Antalya. The privilege, minimalist design and service quality of Baia hotels now shine under the bright sun of the Mediterranean. Having seen Hotel Baia Lara, which combines the luxury and family concept with an enjoyable holiday ornament, the third investment of Sönmez Holding, you will have only one wish on your mind: to stay in Antalya forever and to forget about the existence of the rest of the world. All rooms have bathrooms with a walk-in shower, WC, telephone, safe deposit box, minibar, satellite TV, LCD TV, kettle, tea and coffee, sitting units, and hairdryer. Floor covering is laminate. There are 2 or 3 twin beds or 1 French bed. Standard rooms have a normal balcony, a terrace. Rooms with sea view or land view. Our quadro room type, which is larger than our standard rooms, is especially designed for families with kids to have a more comfortable stay. Our rooms include 1 double bed, 1 single bed, and a sofa, and they are 40 square meters. Our rooms, which are designed with the Baia style, consist of 1 room for families that want a larger area. Baia Lara is located on the beautiful shore of the Mediterranean Sea in the Lara region. Baia Lara Hotel stands out for its minimalist design and privileged high-quality service. After you see Baia Lara, you will have only one wish on your mind: to stay in Antalya forever and to forget about the existence of the rest of the world. You'll be welcomed with a concept themed on happiness, starting from the moment you take your first step into the hotel, and your holiday dreams will come true. Baia Lara, which covers an area of 57,000 square meters in total, is only 17 kilometers away from Antalya city center and 15 kilometers from the airport. The 2-kilometer-long unique Lara beach lies in front of the hotel. Featuring a private sandy beach area and a wooden pier, this extensive hotel offers wide outdoor pools, an aqua park with 9 slides, and a heated indoor pool. Spa and sports facilities are all available. Cool off with the services you will receive while resting at the pavilions on our pier and 130-meter-long Golden Beach, where fine sand and rich blue Mediterranean meet. Our main restaurant that serves dishes to the liking of every palate will take you on a flavor journey around the world at each breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Boutique wines from winemakers from the New World and Turkey accompany the menus prepared with personalized presentations from selected cuisines at our a la carte restaurants. Baia Restaurant serves breakfast, late breakfast, lunch, dinner, and midnight snack, all in buffet style. A la carte restaurant with Mediterranean and steak specialties is available, and a reservation is needed. Bars and snack corners are scattered around the hotel. Our spa and beauty center is at your service with comfortable massage rooms that have different concepts for you to rejuvenate yourself and for your body and soul to feel good. 13 different massage rooms, Ayurvedic massage, shiatsu, Thai, VIP, massage rooms, sauna, steam room, Turkish bath, relaxing rooms, skin and body care units, hairdresser, manicure and pedicure, shock showers, fitness center, jacuzzi. Throughout the day, you will not notice how time passes with the main pool and surrounding competitions, fun activities, and soft animations. You don't have to take a break from exercising during the holidays. Besides having fun and sports activities, you can also sweat in our fully equipped gym or enjoy the outdoors. 2 tennis courts, multi-purpose basketball court, football field, beach volleyball, water polo, step aerobics, all motorized and non-motorized water sports.